Hey guys, it's Eddie U, and today we're going to unbox the Fitbit Ace LTE. This is going to be a little bit different because I know it's geared towards ages 7 plus. We have a 4, almost 5-year-old who's a pretty smart kid, and we're not really looking to track his healthy habits or his fitness goals because the kid's active. He's on the trampoline, he runs around like a maniac, he chases the dog. That's not the issue. But we were more interested in the geo tracking, location tracking, and more or less the ability to call him and for him to call us if needed. There are other options available, but not ones like this. There's the Garmin Bounce, which doesn't look nearly like this, and it is half the price, but this has its benefits where it is more expensive, but the quality's better, the internals are better, the details are better. The ability to make and receive calls is awesome. The Bounce only had the ability to send a voice message or send emojis, which a 4, almost 5-year-old's not going to be able to do. And on top of all that, the cool thing about this watch is that they actually give you the ability to purchase accidental coverage. And you know, with kids, that they tend to break things. So without further ado, let's get this thing open and let's get some first impressions on the Fitbit Ace LTE. So here we have the Fitbit Ace LTE by Google. Pretty cool. This is the black, or otherwise known as the mild color. There is a spicy color, which is green. Now the retail price before tax is $229.95, but you can also buy coverage for $29 for 2 years of accidental coverage. With kids, I feel like this is a must. So if we just look at it, Fitbit Ace LTE by Google. This does come with the Ace band. Each band that you get will unlock a new game or a new character for the watch. So that's something to keep in mind. With your Ace Pass data plan, every single year they will give you a free band, which is cool because the band is like some type of cloth. So it is something that will wear and tear. So having a fresh one every year makes sense. And it freshens up the experience for your kid. Pretty simple, eco-friendly unboxing. Little thumbs up or fingers, peace sign. This is based off the Pixel Watch 2, which I personally did own. I'm more of a traditional watch guy. This is my Tissot PRX Powermatic. I have Rolexes, things like that, but I always have a Fitbit on me. So this is based on the Pixel Watch 2, so you know it's going to be good. Now, looking at the watch itself, it is relatively small. Any kids' watches I've seen are all pretty huge. Now, is this tiny? No, of course not. It has LTE. It needs to have a decent sized battery. But again, pretty simple, pretty slim for what I've seen from carrier kids' watches. Here's the band. Again, looks like a simple setup. As you can see, there's the potential character that comes with the pass. Simple Velcro. Should just click right in. Oh yeah, there's the click. Going into it, they give you a free bumper to protect the watch, depending on how big it is on my son's wrist. He's a big boy. He's big for his age, so shouldn't look too bad on his wrist. Same Pixel Watch 2 charger. USB Type-C cable. Again, it's all there. It's pretty simple. Let's see if we can get this bad boy on. Just hooked it up to the charger. Got our peace sign. Now I am going to have to download an app to actually set it up. This watch does require the Ace Pass. Some more stuff in here. It says, power on your Fitbit Ace. Hold the O button until the screen turns on. Download the Fitbit Ace app. Complete setup. Attach your band. I guess I'm ahead of myself. Detach your band. To detach your band. Release the band and push down the latch on the other side. Warranty stuff. A few things to keep in mind when setting up your Fitbit Ace LTE is that you have to add your child to your Google family. So I had a little conflict where my Google family was full, so I had to kick someone out, and these are all other family members. So keep that in mind. The app itself, I could not find it on my Z Fold 5. I actually ended up having to Google Fitbit Ace, and then it brought me to the Play Store link, and then I would say remote installed the app onto my Z Fold 5. But other than that, it did work. It was no issues there. It is logged in. My kid's not home, so he hasn't tried the watch yet. So I haven't tried any other features. I'm immediately on setup. You put the kid's age, you put their name, you agree for a bunch of stuff, but then you can set some emergency contacts. You can set some other contacts. It looks like when you, let's say, want, say, Uncle Mike, permission to be a contact, you put their name as the kid understands it. So it could be Uncle Mike, and then you put their email, and it's going to send them an invite. I'm waiting to hear back from some of the people I sent invites to, but other than that, setup was pretty breezy, easy. Reminded me of a Wear OS or Google OS smartwatch. The way the charge animation is legit just like a Pixel Watch itself. So again, pretty easy. Right now it's trying to go through a tutorial, so I want to have it on my son's wrist. Again, it looks very similar to the Pixel Watch with a new Ace piece logo on it. So look forward to coming back and telling you guys about the Fitbit Ace LTE.